Here is how to fix CapCut export problems. So if you're having trouble exporting your CapCut project, here is the troubleshooting guide. So first, go to the top left of the CapCut and then click on the menu icon. And from the drop-down menu that appears, you need to go ahead and open your settings. Once in the settings, in the row of tabs, choose Performance, that is between Edit and General in the top. Now deselect the Speed Up Hardware Encoding. After that, tap on Save in the bottom, and you'll be done. Now try exporting again, and hopefully this solves the problem. If not, you can try updating your CapCut application on your device. And if that also does not work, simply try uninstalling the CapCut application completely from your device and reinstall it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.